The Fibonacci sequence goes on until infinity. Just keep adding the last two numbers and it's going to give you the next number. We can really take a look at just how far we can go, just how many digits we have, and we've only gone 150 months. This can go on forever. So when we apply this to the market, we want to use it on a multiple time frame. We look at this consolidation, create extension targets. We look at this consolidation, we create extension targets. Sometimes it might be overwhelming. There are too many targets. But when it comes to setting up proper risk versus reward opportunities, I think these Fibonacci levels offer us risk management procedures that we can move into the market from an aggressive standpoint, knowing where we're going to get out when we're wrong.